All right. So, are you ready to dive into some seriously cool tech? Today, we're talking about EON Reality and their knowledge simulator platform.
It's pretty amazing stuff. It's going to revolutionize the way we train for technical skills. Think interactive simulations, not just videos.
The key is their three-phase learning approach: demonstration, practice, and assessment.
Totally hands-on from the start. In the demonstration phase, you're guided by an AI avatar that explains every step and highlights why it matters.
Like learning equipment safety, key features light up as the avatar explains them.
Then there's the practice phase, where the simulator gives real-time feedback and adjusts difficulty as you improve.
Exactly. You're challenged just enough to keep pushing yourself. And if you miss something, the AI steps in with feedback to refine your skills.
Finally, the assessment phase rigorously tracks your performance and compares it to industry standards, showing exactly where you excel or need improvement.
It's not just about learning motions. You're proving you can perform at a professional level.
Imagine a surgical resident refining techniques in a virtual operating room or an aviation technician troubleshooting electrical systems without real-world risks.
Or a quality control specialist practicing defect detection in a virtual assembly line.
And it's not just about these industries. This tech could apply to almost any field.
Plus, it breaks barriers. With virtual training, you don't need expensive equipment or labs.
It makes high-quality technical training accessible anywhere, empowering lifelong learning and skills development.
The potential is huge. What if learning became so effective and engaging that mastering any skill was possible for anyone?
That's the power of unlocking human potential.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the future of training. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.